In today's video, we're going to go over how we can change the look of our terminal on a Mac computer. And we've had a lot of videos where we're using terminal, but I want to show you guys how you can make the font bigger to make it a little easier to see or change the colors and stuff. And it's really easy on Mac. With your terminal selected, you're going to want to come over to where it says terminal, open up settings, and it should take you over to this general tab. You're going to want to click right here on profiles. And in this window, you can start modifying the look of your terminal. And you might notice if you select a different one, nothing actually happens, and you would actually have to change it to default so that it opens on it, and it still won't change the look of your terminal. So I'm actually going to change it to red sans to show you guys. My terminal looks the same, but if I close it and reopen terminal in a new window, now it has the new look. And you can change the colors and a lot of things in here, but I'm going to change it back to the basic really quick and open up terminal again. And I want to show you guys this cursor. So this cursor is the cursor that you're writing with. You can change the look right there, and these will change automatically when you make changes in your profile settings. It's only when you change the entire look that you will have to reset it. And you can even change the font. So if we come over here, we can select a new font, or you can just change the size. So because I'm doing tutorial videos, I probably want the font a little bit bigger, so I can go to something like 36. And if I close that out, you can see it's still the same. Even if I type in a new command and it puts new text, it's staying the same. But if we open up a new terminal, it is now super huge. Probably, in all honesty, a bit too big for a tutorial video, so I would probably go to something more like 18. And if we reopen, that's much nicer. If I type in ls, you can see it a lot clearer. All of my folders show up really nicely. And that's all there is to it. So you're going to want to come over to profiles in your settings, and you can make any changes you want. And since I have you guys here, I do want to show you guys one more thing, which is encodings. And this is really important to know if you're going to be working in another language. And I know I'm making this tutorial in English, so probably a lot of you guys won't be using this, but if you do happen to speak maybe Greek, or I think like Thai is here as well, you can add that in right here. And you can see by default, some of them are selected. So for instance, Chinese, Russian, all of those can be used inside of terminal. And of course, UTF-8. So if you do have emojis or something, they can show up. And if you disabled that, which I highly wouldn't recommend, then emojis will not work. And you would need to select another type of text, of course. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Just a really short video on terminal that I wanted to make because it took me a little bit to figure out how I can change this to make it a little nicer for the videos, and I know sometimes it can be hard to read. And I will be continuing on making Silly Tavern and Comfy UI content and a lot more things that we will be doing in Terminal. I can't wait to get into it. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys around.